Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joshua Franson. We have a stationary front that's stalled out over us, and with generally winds out of the south, granted very light today at about 5 to 10 miles an hour, that brings up some moist air, and when it collides with that boundary, we could see some thunderstorms into the afternoon. We're dry right now, but that pause is going to end here soon over the next few hours. So heading into the future, what we'll see is a couple of scattered showers and storms form out west. Some of them will slide our way as we head into the afternoon and evening. And then tonight, another brief little pause is possible before more widespread rain arrives. And some of these storms could be on the stronger side, containing gusty winds and heavy rainfall. Hail is more of a secondary threat, and there is no real tornado threat. But that will continue into the morning hours tomorrow before another pause sets up, and then we once again redevelop storms later on during the day, mainly during the late afternoon and evening that time around. But here's the severe weather risk for today. Has since been trimmed southward, so a level 1 out of 5 for areas for the south and east. Areas northward, you are in the clear, but still widespread rainfall can be expected, and that leads to the flooding concerns. Specifically for flash flooding, level 2 out of 4 across our entire area today, pretty much tomorrow and into Thursday. So that rain is going to keep on coming. But for today, temperature is getting into the upper 70s and lower 80s, a little bit cooler, but still humid outside tonight, dropping off into the upper 60s and lower 70s. And then tomorrow, hanging out in the upper 70s, but also upper 80s further south, a little bit warmer, and some of these 80s will feel more like 90 due to the dew points being in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Further ahead, are we going to see relief from the warm air and the plentiful rainfall? Well, it's starting to seem like as we head into July, we're actually trending towards returning to normal. Believe it or not, yes, precipitation's been above normal as of late, but now it seems like we're trending towards normal. And same thing with temperatures, trending pretty much near normal, which will be about in the mid 80s. So these upper 80s will not last forever. Same thing with these lower 90s. On your city-by-city forecast, though, they sure are present. Plenty of storm chances as well. And then over the next 7 days, notice temperatures very warm. Low temperatures also very warm. Storm chances become a little bit more isolated into the weekend, down to 20% on Saturday and 30% on Sunday. And then next week, it seems like conditions are a little better to start off. Partly cloudy and dry with winds out of the northwest. Keeps temperatures in the mid 80s and lows in the mid 60s.